So guys, for the first method, you just want to simply refresh ChatGPT. So click on refresh, see if that works for you. For the second method, you might be getting this error because ChatGPT may be having a lot of traffic right now. So if you just wait, the problem should then fix on its own. There is something that you could try though. So for the third method, you want to click right here where it says view site information. You want to click on that. And now you want to click on cookies and site data. And then click on manage on device site data. You want to delete everything that comes up here. And then click on done. Now you want to click on this again, view site information. And then click on site settings. And then click on delete data. And then click on OK. Now we're going to go back to ChatGPT and then click on reload. See if that fixes your problem. If not, then it's probably because the server has some very high traffic, so you're just going to have to wait until it gets fixed.